Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sunday, the 18th of December. Apologies if there's some noise in the house. I did not get to beat everybody up. That didn't sound right. Let's get into the box, shall we? Okay, it's day 8. Day 8 or day 7? Let's take a look. Day 6. Wow. I'm really getting ahead of myself, aren't I? Okay, it's day 6 of the MayPaperCo 2022 Advent Calendar. This one, just based off the size of the envelope, I'm going to say it's some sort of inserts or something to go into my planner. Let's take a look. Yep. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so we've got personal wide memo lined pages. So they're a note page with memo on it. I actually really like how we've got an italic in amongst just the other ones, but that's just me appreciating the design, which May is so great at. I really like that. I'm not sure if I'd use them, to be honest with you, just because yeah, the whole personal versus personal wide debate is still ongoing, apparently. But Kath actually mentioned from the other day that I could cut them down from this side and punch them if I wanted to, but I'm not sure if I want the lines going off the page on this one. But I'll definitely hold this because I'm pretty sure my basic story or personal wide story is not over yet. But I really like them, and I know May's paper. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to write on. It's smooth with a little bit of tooth. All the pens I have work brilliantly on it. I actually buy her paper to print my inserts on for the half letter and for the personal wide that I sometimes use in my basics. So I know the paper's amazing. Definitely well worth it. So we've got 30 pages back to front, so it's 15 sheets. And yeah, not a bad little score for today. Quite happy with that. Okay, that's it for today. Let me know again in the comments if you want an extended last video or an extra one on Boxing Day, which is our 26th of December, with a full recap of everything. So far I have a vote for an extended Christmas Day video. I actually don't have kids this year. Well, I never have kids for Christmas. Oh no, I do sometimes. This year we don't have kids for Christmas Day. So Christmas Day is actually going to be a fairly low-key one for us. So either way works out well for me. Let me know in the comments what you want to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell and do all the things on your way out. Have a great day. Stay safe. See you later.